verbs. Irregular verbs. What is this? Irregular verbs. The verbs we do not have, the formula. Let me explain to you. Now, for example, कुछ verbs आपको मैं दूंगा. Okay. You should work on this. Okay. Now, for example, we have the verb you do in your daily routine. Through way. Repeat after me.
Through way.
Through way is my verb to find.
Through way.
Okay. Repeat after me. Through way.
Through way.
Okay. Now, the second verb we have is etudie.
Etudie.
E sound, we have E like that. So we have etudie. So through way, etudie. Now, for example, this is the verb which is ending from er. This is a verb which is ending from er. Say clap. So now tell me what is the formula of ending verb? E. Yes.
Yes. Yes. ONS. EZ.
ENT.
So for example, if I want to convert a to the verb, okay, so what I will do? Je a to the, because the formula is I have to remove er and I have to remove e. Tell me, team.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But over here we have two vowels, so one vowel will be apostrophe. Je to the is I study. Because étudier is a verb to study. So j'étudie, tu, étudie. Is it clear to you that E we have a symbol?
Yes, sir.
E team we have a symbol. Okay. Then we have team il, L, étudie. Clear team?
Yes, sir.
Then we have nous étudions. Nous étudions. One thing you have to understand that if we have a symbol, so please don't forget to apply a symbol. Okay. And vous étudiez. Clear team? Why?
Yes, sir.
The formula is E. ES. Laga team formula E.
Yes, sir.
ONS, EZ. In case of new conjugation, that is ONS. With vous, that is EZ. And il, L, ZUD. So repeat after me. ZUD.
J'étudie.
Yetudi.
Tu-étudie.
Tu étudies.
Yetudi.
Il, elle étudie.
Elle étudie.
Nous étudions.
Nous étudions.
Vous étudiez.
Vous étudiez.
Il, elles étudient.
Elle étudie.
Yetudi.
Clear? Now, we have a through way. So the same formula, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, kar loge aap?
Yes, sir.
Now team, but there are some verbs, for example, vulvar, team, very important. Pouvoir and the var. These are the modal verbs. Modal verbs in terms of, these are the helping verbs. Now team, repeat after me, vulvar. Repeat after me.
Vulvar.
Vulvar is my verb to warn.
Vulvar.
Repeat after me, vulvar.
Vulvar.
Vouloir is my verb to want.
Want. To want.
Yes. Pouvoir. Repeat after me.
Pouvoir.
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 Pouvoir is my verb to can.
To can.
So vouloir is my verb to want.
Would war. To want.
Pouvoir is my verb to can.
Pouvoir. To can.
And the var is my verb to must.
The
The verb.
war. To must.
So team, why these the helping verbs? They say, for example, I want to go, I can go, I must go. So team, these are the helping verbs. So repeat after me. Vouloir,
Vouloir.
War.
pouvoir,
Pouvoir.
Pouvoir.
and devoir.
The
Devoir.
war.
So team, for example, now I will conjugate all three verbs. So clear.
What is the meaning of etudi?
Study. Okay. Étudier. Étudier is my verb to study.
And it is normal verb.
It's a normal verb. Yes.
Oh.
Clear?
Yes.
Got it.
Clear to your team? Now, for example, we have a verb vouloir, pouvoir, and the verb team. Listen to me. These are the verbs wherein we have to understand the ending by heart. Team, there's few verbs, 96% verbs when we have a formula like étudier, trouver. But there's some verbs wherein we have a different sense of ending, but there are very few verbs, only 3 to 4% verbs, right? So repeat after me, team. Vouloir is my verb to want. The moment I want to convert vouloir verb, with I want, you want, that is je veux. Repeat after me. Je veux is to I want. Repeat, please. Je veux is
Je veux.
Is to I want.
I want.
tu veux. Tu veux. Il,
Tu
elle,
veux.
veut.
Tu
Il,
veux.
Elle veut.
elle veut.
Il,
Nous,
elle veut.
nous voulons.
Nous
Il, elle
voulons.
veut.
Voulons.
Nous voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous
Vous
voulez.
voulez.
Voulez. Il, elle veut. So
Il,
repeat.
Il,
elle
elle veut.
want.
So repeat
One.
after me. Je veux is to I want.
Je
Java
veux.
is to I
I
want.
want.
Tu veux is to you want.
Tu
Silver is
veux
to
is to you want.
you want.
Il, elle veut is to he, she wants.
Il,
elle
elle
is to
veut
he,
is to he, she want.
Nous voulons is to we want.
Nous
Nous
voulons
voulons
is to
is
we want.
we want.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Il, elle want.
Il, elle veut.
Il, elle want.
Okay. Now same we have pouvoir verb. Pouvoir is my verb to can. So instead of VEUX, because it's starting from P, so I can say je peux is to I can.
Je peux is to I can.
Tu peux is to you can.
Tu
Tu
peux
peux
is to you can.
you can.
Then we have PEUT, il, elle peut.
Il, elle peut.
Nous pouvons is to we can.
Nous
Nous
pouvons
pouvons
to we can.
we can.
Vous pouvez is to you can.
Vous pouvez
Vous
is you
pouvez
can.
to you can.
And il, elle
Il,
peut.
elle
Puff. So
puff.
repeat after
Il,
me.
elle peut.
Compare vouloir and pouvoir verb. Repeat after me. Je veux. Je veux. Repeat
Je
after me.
veux.
Je veux. Tu veux.
Tu
Tu
Je
veux.
veux.
veux, tu veux.
Il, elle veut.
Il,
Elle
elle
veut.
veut.
Nous voulons.
Nous
Nous
voulons.
voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous
Vous
voulez.
voulez.
Il-L-1.
wool.
Il-L1.
So repeat after me. Je peux,
Je
Je peux,
peux,
tu peux,
tu
tu
peux,
peux,
il-elle peut,
il,
elle
elle
peut,
peut,
nous pouvons,
nous
nous
pouvons,
pouvons,
vous pouvez,
vous
vous
pouvez,
pouvez,
ils-elles peuvent.
il, elle peut.
elles peuvent.
Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So team, tell me vulvar. Repeat after me. Vulvar
Boulevard,
Boulevard
and pouvoir.
pouvoir.
and boulevard.
So team, for example, if I will say, I want to study. Now what is I want? Java is
Je
to
veux,
I want. And what is the verb to study? A to the.
étourdi,
Java Z to the. That how now you will come to know how to make a sentences. Now for example, if you say I can find. Je peux.
je peux,
Is it clear to you team?
Yes,
And
sir.
you will make the verbs conjugation, and today you will make the sentences also. Is it clear to you team?
Yes, sir.
Now for example, we have a the var. The var. Today you'll come to know, okay, this is the sentence which we can create. The var is a verb to must. So repeat
must.
after me. Je dois is to I must.
Je dois.
Je,
Into
je
I
dois,
must.
je
I must,
dois.
Tu dois.
Elle doit.
Elle doit.
il, elle doit,
So repeat after me. The var. So je dois,
Savoir.
I must.
Je dois is to I must.
Tu dois is to you must.
Tu
tu
dois is to
dois
you
is
must.
you must,
Elle doit is to he she must.
il,
Elle
elle doit
doit
is she
to
must,
he, she must.
Nous devons.
Nous devons.
never, we must,
Nous devons. Vous devez.
Vous
you,
devez.
And elles doivent.
il,
Elle
elle
doit.
doit,
So Tim, these are the very important verbs, and these are the verbs which will help you to speak the language out, to make the phrases in the language, to make the sentences. Now, for example, repeat after me. Je dois,
Je
je
dois.
dois,
tu dois,
Tu
tu
dois.
dois,
elle doit,
il,
Elle
elle
doit.
doit,
nous devons,
Nous
nous
devons.
vous devez,
Vous
vous
devez.
devez,
elles doivent.
il, elle
Elles
doit,
doivent.
Now, for example, you will say, I must find. I must find. Je dois trouver. Full verb. If you say, I must speak. Je dois parler.
Parler.
If you say, we must speak. Nous devons. That how we can pick the pattern now.
Parler.
Parler.
parler,
I want to eat. Je veux
Je veux manger.
manger. It means, team, if you know few verbs which you do in your daily routine, you can make the sentence. You say, I can go. Je peux,
il, elle doit,
Marche.
je peux aller is my verb.
Aller.
We can walk. We can is what? Nous pouvons.
Nous pouvons
It is just way to understand about these verbs. Nous pouvons marcher.
aller. Marcher.
Is it clear to your team?
Yes, sir.
okay,
Clear? So team will work
clear,
for these categories only today. Pouvoir, vulvar, and the what? These are the very important verbs. Clear? Now,
Yes.
for example, if you say I can give. I can give. So je peux donner.
Donner.
Donner is my verb to give.
give,
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
for example, if I will say I can see. I can work. Is it clear to you? Pen down, please. I can see.
I can.
I can work. Up see. War is my verb to see team. Travailler
Yappa.
is my verb to work. To tell me. Please tell me. If I say I can see, je peux voir. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes,
Clear.
sir.
Now, team, we have a var verb also. Var is my verb to see. And team, var also is my irregular verb. We have to
Okay.
understand these verbs by heart. We are doing something about irregular verbs and the sentence making. And from today onwards, you will come to know how to make a phrase, how to make a sentences. Is it clear to you, team? Say clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Now, no. See, I'm using maintenant. See, whatever I'm saying in French, you have to capture those words. Maintenant is the verb to now. Maintenant.
Maintenance.
Is it clear to you?
Maintenance.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear.
Maintenant. Now, team, we have two verbs which are very important. Voir and boire. Repeat after me. Voir
War.
and boire.
War.
War.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Is my verb to see and boire is my verb to drink. Very important.
To
And
drink.
both of these verbs have a different ending. Now, for example, we'll do var verb. How to conjugate var verb? Team, this is irregular verb. Repeat after me. Je vois is to I see. Repeat after me.
Je
Je
vois
vois
is to I
to
see.
I see.
Tu vois.
To voir is to
Tu
you
vois.
see.
Elle voit.
Il, elle
voit.
voit.
Nous
He,
voyons.
she.
Nous.
Nous voyons.
Nous voyons. Yes. Nous voyons.
Nous voyons.
Hello, team. Vous voyez.
Vous
Vous
voyez.
voyez.
And elle voit.
Il,
Elle
elle
voit.
voit.
So repeat after me, team. Je vois is to I see. Repeat after me, please.
Je vois.
Je vois is to I see.
Tu vois is to you see. Repeat after me.
Tu
Tu
vois
vois is
is
to
to
you
see.
see.
Elle voit is to he, she sees.
Il,
Il,
elle
elle
voit, he, she
voit is
see.
to he, she see.
Nous voyons.
Nous
Nous
voyons.
voyons.
Voyons. Vous voyez.
Vous
Vous
voyez.
voyez.
Elle voit.
Il,
Il,
elle
elle
voit.
voit.
Elle voit. So repeat after me. Je vois. Je
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 vois.
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 Tu vois.
Tu
Tu vois.
vois.
Elle voit.
Il,
Elle
elle
voit.
voit.
Nous voyons.
Nous
Nous
voyons.
voyons.
Vous voyez.
Vous
Vous
voyez.
voyez.
Elle voit.
Il,
Elle
elle
voit.
voit.
Clear? Now over here we have verb boire. Boire is my verb to drink. B-O-I-R-E. Boire is my verb to drink. So if I will say je bois, tu bois,
Tu vois.
elle boit,
Elle boit.
nous buvons,
Nous pouvons.
Il, elle voit.
vous buvez,
Vous pouvez.
elle boivent.
Elle voit.
So now repeat after me. Je bois is to I drink.
Je
Je
bois
bois
is
is
to
to
I
I
drink.
drink.
Tu bois is to you drink.
Tu
Tu
bois
bois
is
is
to you
to
drink.
you drink.
Elle boit is to he, she drinks.
Il,
Elle
elle boit
boit
to
is
she
to
drink.
he, she drink.
Nous buvons,
Nous
Nous
pouvons.
buvons.
vous buvez,
Vous
Vous
buvez.
buvez.
elles boivent.
Il, elle
Elle boit.
Yes. So we have done 5 irregular verbs. So repeat after me. Vouloir, je veux.
Vouloir.
Je vois. Repeat
Je
after
vois.
me. Je vois, tu vois.
Je
Je
vois,
vois,
tu
tu
vois.
vois.
Elle voit.
Elle
Elle
voit.
voit.
Nous voulons.
Nous
Nous
voulons.
voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous
Vous
voulez.
voulez.
Elle voit.
Elle
Elle voit.
voit.
Now pen down one phrase. I can go. I can go, but I can drink and I must eat. How to convert this in French? I can go. Je peux
Je peux
Je
aller.
peux.
aller. But mais
Mais
is but
je peux.
mais
Je,
je peux
je peux boire.
voir. Very good.
Boire.
And is my A.
Et
A. Je dois.
je dois
Je dois manger. Is
manger.
this clear to my team?
Yes, sir.
Clear team? Now, for
Yes.
example, say I can walk, but I cannot because I do not like. Now, team, what is my negation in French? Negation. Team, listen to me. Ne pas is my negation. Repeat after me. Ne pas.
Ne pas.
Non pas.
Ne
Ne
pas.
pas littéralement. Literally, ne pas is my negation. Clear? See, one
Yes.
thing to understand, you have to insert a verb between na and pa. That's a rule. In case of negation, negation is my na and pa, but my verb would be insert between na and pa. Now, for example, if I'll say, I can go, repeat after me, I can go.
I
I
can. Je
can go.
peux aller
Je
au
peux
marché.
aller,
Aller. Je
but
peux aller.
mais
Mais
I can drink, je peux boire,
boire.
and I must eat. A, je dois,
Je dois manger.
je dois manger.
Manger.
C'est clair? The next we have is I can walk, but I cannot. I can walk, je peux marcher,
Marcher.
but
Mais
I cannot. Now
ne,
we have ne pas is my negation
ne
because
pas.
because ne pas is my negation, right? So between na and pa, we have a verb. I cannot. Can. Pa.
Pas.
Je ne peux pas. Why? Because na pa is my negation. Between na and pa, we have a verb. Je ne peux pas. Repeat after me. Je ne peux pas. Because
Je
Je
ne
ne
peux
peux
pas.
pas.
je ne peux pas. Parce que. Parce
Pas.
we have because. Parce que.
Yes.
Parce we have because. Up like. Now over here, aime is my verb to like. Aime.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So first we'll
Yes,
conjugate aime verb. Let's conjugate aime verb. Repeat after me. J'aime is to I like. Repeat after me. J'aime.
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 Tu aimes.
Very good. Tu aimes.
Il aime.
Yes. Il, elle aime. C'est
Nous
clair.
aimons.
Nous aimons.
Vous aimez.
Aimons.
Il, elle
Vous aimez.
aime. Il, elle aime.
Ils,
aime.
elles aiment.
Aime.
Now over here using I because I do not like parce que je Do not like. Napa
No.
is my negation. So what is M verb? M.
M.
So je n'aime pas.
Nampa.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So je ne peux pas. I cannot because I do not like. Je n'aime pas. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
Team, we have one more verb which is these. These is my verb to tell, which is again irregular verbs. We have done a lot of irregular verb. Please try to watch this session again and again. Write down the entire thing. These is my verb to say and to tell. The moment I will conjugate these verb to say, I say, you say, repeat after me. Jadi is to I tell.
Jyoti is to I tell.
Judi is to you tell.
Jyoti to you tell.
LLD is to he she tells.
LLD is to he she tell.
Say Claire. Nous disons. Repeat after me.
Nous
Nous
disons.
disons.
Know this song.
Vous
Nous
dites.
disons.
Vous.
Vous disiez.
No, no, this. Vous dites. It is not vous disiez. That's a rule. It should be vous dites. So
Vous
repeat
dites.
after me. Je dis. Repeat after me. Je dis.
Je dis.
Tu dis.
Tu dis.
Elle dit.
Elle dit.
Nous disons.
Nous disons.
Vous dites.
Vous dites.
Elle dit.
Elle dit.
So repeat after me. Je dis. Tu dis.
Je dis. Tu dis.
Elle dit.
Elle dit.
Nous disons.
Nous disons.
Vous dites.
Vous dites.
Elle dit.
Elle dit.
We have verb faire. Faire is a verb to do. The very important verbs. Je fais is to I do. Repeat after me. Je fais is to I do.
Je fais is to I do.
Tu fais is to you do.
You
Tu
face
fais is to you do.
Elle fait is to he she does.
Elle fait
Is to he she does.
he she does.
Nous faisons
Nous faisons
so
is to we do.
is to we do.
we do.
Then vous faites. Vous faites is to you do.
Is to
And
you do.
elle
Fait.
These are the irregular verbs. See, a lot of
तो ये
different
लास्ट वाले का प्रोनाउंस कैसे करेंगे? इल एल
Form.
जल्दी वाले को.
form. Clear. So repeat after me. Je fais team. These verb has to be fixed in your mind tomorrow.
Okay.
Now you have to take this as an opportunity. Like you have the verb, fair verb, the verb, poor verb, because this is the opportunity which you can understand and you can speak the language out. Now, for example, you say, I can work, I can do. So what you will say? Je peux
Fair.
faire. Faire is a verb to do and to make, but you will say, I make. So what does I make? Je fais. Is it clear to you? So team,
Yes.
these are the verbs wherein you have to understand this verb by heart. And this is also you have to take it all the verbs according to your capacity. Now, if you think there are a lot of verbs which you have to understand, it is fine. So you can stop me because these are very important verb, but has to fix in your mind. Because without these verbs, we cannot speak the language out. Clear? So the next verb we have is team. Metro. Repeat
Metro.
after me. Metro.
Metro.
Metro is my verb to put.
To put.
Repeat after me. Metro.
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 Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Moment I will conjugate met verb. So you will say, I put, you put. Let me write it down. So mettre is my verb to put. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So let me write down over here. Je met, tu met, il, elle met, nous mettons, vous
Nous
mettez,
mettons,
il, elle met.
vous mettez, il, elle met.
Team, let me tell you what is the formula of RE earning verb. See, we have done e-learning verb formula, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT team.
Yes,
The
sir.
formula of RE earning verb is S,
I, S,
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 blank,
mm,
ONS,
mm.
EZ, ENT. See, for example, you have verb mettre. Mettre is a verb trending from RE. So what we have done? S, S, and then with ill there is no conjugation, blank, ONS, EZ, ENT. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. Je met, tu
Je
met,
met,
You met.
tu met,
elle met,
il, elle met.
nous mettons,
Nous mettons,
vous mettez,
vous
You
mettez,
met.
il, elle met.
il, elle met.
We have verb attendre.
Attendre,
Attendre is a verb to wait. Attendre. So what is the
attendre.
formula of identing verb? S blank ONS EZENT. So what I can say? J'attends is to I wait. Is it clear to you, team?
J'attends,
Tu attends. D and S would
j'attends.
be silent because that's a consonant. Tu attends. Il, elle, attend. Team, is it clear to you?
Attends.
S
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
blank. What is the formula of identing verb? Umang ji. S blank
S blank ONS
Z.
ONS.
So j'attends, tu attends, il, elle attend, nous attendons. Nous attendons. Vous attendez.
Vous attendez.
And il, elle. J'attends.
J'attends.
Clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So team, one more verb we have which is prendre. And tell me team, आप उतना ही करना इतना आप उसको गेन कर पाओ. Clear?
Okay,
अगर
sir.
लग रहा है कि verbs heavy हो रहे हैं तो मुझे stop करना. So prendre is my verb to take. Identing verb. So what you can say? Je prends.
Je prendre.
Je prends.
Prendre.
Pro.
Okay, D and S would be silent. Because
Silent.
identing verb. What is the formula of identing verb? S
S
blank.
ONS EZENT.
Yes, je prends. Tu
Pro.
prends.
Tu
Tu prends.
Pro.
Elle prend. Clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Nous prenons.
Nous prenons.
Yes, vous prenez. And il, elle prennent. Now, team, repeat after me. Prendre is my verb to take. Repeat after me, please. Prendre.
Prendre. To take.
Clear? So
Yes,
the
sir.
moment I will conjugate prendre verb. Clear? Oh, sing is my typing error, my mistake. Is it clear to your team? So, je prends is to I take. Repeat after me.
The pro
The
is to
prompt
I
is to I take.
Tu prends is to you take.
To
To
pro
prompt
is
is
to
to
you.
you take.
Il, elle prend is to he, she takes.
Il,
Il,
elle
elle
prend
prend,
is to
she
he, she
take.
take.
Nous prenons.
Nous
Nous
prenons.
prenons.
Vous prenez.
Vous
Vous
prenez.
prenez.
Il, elle prennent.
Il, elle prennent.
Clear?
Prennent. Okay, sir.
If I will add comb, so that is to understand. Prendre, if you take comb, I will insert, I will add comb, comprendre, that is to understand. So
To
what I can
understand.
say, only I have to add com. Je comprends
Okay.
is to I understand. Tu
Je
comprends. Is it clear to your team?
Yes,
Il
sir.
comprend. Nous comprenons. We understand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Vous comprenez. Now you came to know my French is based upon my conjugations. Right. Elle comprend. The more you know how to conjugate the verb, the more you can speak the language very fluent. Is it clear to your team?
These are
Yes.
regular verbs. R-E-N-D.
RE is a irregular verb, yes. SS blank ONS EZENT. That's the rule. Now, if I add instead of com, front verb. If I will add AP,
Apprendre.
that is apprendre, and apprendre is my verb to learn.
Okay.
Clear, team? So I can
Yes,
say
sir.
j'apprends
J'apprends.
is to I learn.
I learn.
Tu apprends, it is just we have to insert
apprends.
AP.
Tu apprends.
You learn. Il apprend.
Il apprend.
Nous apprenons. It is just we have to add AP.
Nous apprenons.
Vous apprenez
Vous apprenez.
and elles apprennent.
Elles apprennent.
So team, these are the verbs. If you say I can understand, now team, you can make a sentence and you have to submit it out the sentence. You have to write at least 100 sentences with the help of modal verbs. For example, I will give the example and you have a lot of verbs you have. I can understand, if you say. So, je peux,
Comprendre.
I must understand. Je dois comprendre.
Comprendre.
I can learn. Je peux
Je peux apprendre.
apprendre. Okay. I must learn. Je dois
Je dois
apprendre.
apprendre.
So team, now you can make a sentences and you will say, I can tell. Simple. अभी simple बोलना I can tell. Je peux these.
These.
Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir.
I think these are the very important verbs of French. Now, team, see what I want from your side now. This will be your task.
Okay.
100 phrases I want from your side. Like
Okay, sir.
I can put, we must put, you should put. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You want to put, you can learn, we can understand. So, team, you can make it, I think. Because today model is very important. Today, with the help of today model, because these are the irregular verbs. So we have verb savoir. Savoir is a verb to know. Team. Savoir.
Savoir, to know.
So the moment I will conjugate savoir verb with I know, you know. Have you done your team? कर लोगे ना?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
बहुत है सर आज
बहुत है. ओके
और
मुझे स्टॉप कर दिया करो ना क्योंकि हैवी नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लियर? ओके सो अब एक काम करोगे आप इन वर्ब्स की पूरी प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप क्योंकि हैवी नहीं करना आपको अपना पोर्शन बिल्कुल भी. जितना आप गेन कर पाओ ना डेली बिल्कुल माइंड में फिक्स कर पाओ उतना ही मेरे साथ करोगे आप. क्लियर? ओके
Okay.
कि जो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप कैलकुलेट करो जब से हम करना शुरू किया वो चीजें बिल्कुल माइंड में अगर फिक्स हैं gradually you will pick your French. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Gradually. Okay. तो प्रोग्रेसिव में आई कैन से किया तुमने प्रोग्रेसिव में
Yes, sir.
प्रोग्रेसिव में progressively I will say progressively. progressivement, c'est clair. So team, what you have to do, आपको ये अभी सेशन में शेयर कर दूंगा, ठीक है?
Okay.
Watch those sessions, practice with your, ये कुछ डेली रूटीन पे आपको करना है. 100 मुझे बना के भेजोगे आप सेंटेंस अपने आप
ठीक
से,
है. ओके.
ठीक है? आई कैन वर्क, आई कैन डू, ठीक है? ये मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करता हूँ आपसे, ठीक है, कुछ थोड़ी देर में. सो इसको करके भेजो मेरे को आप. क्लियर टीम? प्रैक्टिस करने
यस.
की, ठीक है उमंग जी?
ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम।
ठीक है,
सर कल वाला चेक कर दिया था आपने, नहीं परसों वाला?
हाँ वो मैंने सारा चेक कर लिया था, इट वाज ऑल गुड.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, भेजो मेरे को
ठीक
आप.
है.